Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to easily rename multiple files at once in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, open the File Explorer on your Windows 10 computer. Navigate to the folder that contains all the files you wish to rename. To enable a detailed view of the file names, go to the View tab, located on the top menu. In the Layout group, click on Details. Once the detailed view is enabled, it's time to select all the files in the folder. Simply press the CTRL and A keys simultaneously on your keyboard. Next, head over to the Home tab, which can also be found on the top menu. Within the Organize section, click on Rename. Now, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to rename the first file in the list. This name will be applied to all the selected files. Enter the desired new name. After entering the new name, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Amazingly, all the files will be renamed, with a differentiating number added to each file name. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can efficiently rename multiple files in Windows 10 using File Explorer. Enjoy a more organized file management system. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Until next time, happy file renaming.